at least Edim Manpla talk to lo member lo warrior sorry Alluvial lem no stop lo 1+6 lo wow taso lem pa mo kata tu lo bulolo na sampla up to go sem lo minyama so emam bla bipla problem mi bla gatlo kan man come inside so antap lo Mr. Talk me talk thank you to join Minister Blomilo mining na talk thank you lo Deputy Prime Minister lo okay good work lo rosim sampla on man need get go outside big work is tapet lo this last side question lo mita solem lo inap yung mi putim priority lo host districts lo got access lo priority lo side lo application lo one big one all exploration license one time all SMLs priority go lo one host districts mi plat sabe lo issues lo pla lo backyard lo mi pla our people don't pla stop na one problem mi pla facing we can see it as another way of filtering unnecessary people of going in and out causing problems Mr. Assistant Speaker, problem lo mi pla la and big pla now one law and order. Nem associated to quantap to lo disla one me or Alluvial -2. So question mo sa minap good pla minister by putting priority go host districts lo Alluvial. Lo got access lo kisim exploration license or SMLs. So we can fix our own backyard. Of course with the assistance of his department. And MRA, kind of MRA about one more authorities or some immigration kind of. Thank you.
Mr. Minister.
Thank you, Minister, Vice Minister Blomi, Lorisla, supplementary. One, there is nothing stopping districts, provinces involved in said law, alluvial mining, and in particular, law district blem, which is a most in plenty. Even one big mine, a lot of alluvial licenses are within his district. And I commend him to law. He's taking the initiative of registering a business arm to participate, not just be bystander in this alluvial industry, but at the same time participate now. We are prioritizing, like all districts apply law, kisim license to mine for themselves and even explore Kisim exploration license, we will give priority in this case. And I think when Prime Minister and this government said take back PNG, at each of our levels we have to give power back to our people and our districts and provinces. So instead of mining them, I want to assure the member that we will prioritize any DDA who wants to participate in alluvial mining, we will prioritize. Not Lodokimi one side, but they are enabled by the DDA Act to participate in business. So MIPLA at MRA in the mining department, we will support. And for his electorate, we will prioritize because he also wants to participate in AML and at the same time part of the host law, our Africa mine. So through you, Mr. Speaker, we will help him in that process as well. And I can assure him that we will come up with something as soon as we can for his application. Thank you.